In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Oppo card on bus. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Oppo card on any bus that has Oppo integration is extremely simple. All that you have to do is properly set up your card after you acquire it, and you will be able to use it by physically placing it near the card reader. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of registering your card, making sure that it is active with balance, and how you can go about planning your trip and using the card on bus. So all that you have to do is first visit the transportnsw.info website, where you can get the latest up-to-date information regarding the Oppo card, and you also have the option to download their mobile app. For this video, I'm gonna talk about the website. So once you reach the website or you download the mobile app according to your preferences, you will have all the information relevant to acquiring your Oppo card in here. If you still need to acquire the card, go into Tickets and Oppo and then About Oppo. Then Get an Oppo card. This will bring you to a page where you can see all the types of cards that they offer, how much they cost, and where to get them. Usually, you can get them at physical retailers that you can find using this interactive map on their website or the mobile app, or you can purchase them online through the oppo.com.au website. Choose your type of card and proceed to checkout. After you register for an Oppo account, you include the contact information and the payment info. You will be able to have the card loaded up with balance, registered and activated. Choose whichever method you prefer, either online or physically in one of these locations that you can find on this map. Once you have the card, all that you have to do is make sure that it is registered, and usually this will be done automatically as soon as you load it up with balance, but if necessary, you also have the option here on the website if you go over to the management page for the card, and as long as it has balance properly activated, you can start using it. So now go to Travel Info and click on Bus, where you can find the most up-to-date information regarding how to use the Oppo card on bus. You will find all the bus lines in here. You can find maps, timetables, network maps, etc. Everything is widely available for you to visit, and these resources are wonderful for planning your trip. Using the card is extremely simple. Like I said, just place the card near the physical card reader when you board the bus and you will be ready to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Oppo card on bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.